guys, welcome back to another video in Costa Rica. This should be episode 3 and it has been a blast so far. The Costa Rican people are incredibly kind and they are so gracious to me because I know zero Spanish. And so it's just been a blast hanging out with them. Everyone's been so kind to us. Just showing us different places we should go and teaching us the language. It's been a blast. So far we've been able to travel to Monteverde to see the Rain Cloud Forest. We went around the Lake Arenal, I believe I'm saying that right, and now we are at the beach. We went to Uvita, I think I'm saying that right, and Quepos. So if anyone's thinking about going to Quepos, just know there's a huge population of just like tourists, and it's a tourist trap. That's just where people go. It's like the first beach in Costa Rica that I think most of the tourists go, so just be mindful of that. But this place is incredible. Uvita was a beautiful beach, probably my favorite beach, and there really wasn't that many people there, and it felt super safe. 10 out of 10 recommend Uvita. It's just a beautiful spot. We've gotten to stay in some really cool Airbnbs, and I hope to send you guys those videos soon, so be looking out for Airbnb videos. I just posted one with the sunset bus. Guys, check that video out. It was a sweet Airbnb. I also almost lost the drone, and instead of me telling you about it, I think I'm just gonna show you, so check this clip out. I was too mad to record this earlier, so Cole and I were at the waterfall. I'm flying the drone, getting some epic drone footage, and a strong gust of wind picks up my drone and carries it 1.5 kilometers away from our location, and then the battery dies and I have to crash land it on a hill. I don't know if you can see that, but we're the blue dot, and following the road to find the drone. It says I'm really close. You can definitely tell why it was so windy. We got it, we're good. I was absolutely terrified that I was gonna lose this guy. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do for the good shot, right? No, you don't. It's stupid. Don't waste expensive gear, be smart. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. We have 10 more days in Costa Rica, and we are trying to end our trip with a bang. So if you guys have any ideas of where we should go, what we should do, feel free to leave those in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit it with a like, and if you want to see more videos like it, subscribe to the channel. But until the next video, peace.